the United States, China has now joined the chorus, now claiming that it played the role of a peacemaker between India and Pakistan. China has been asserting that it played the role of a mediator in easing tensions between India and Pakistan during the May confrontation of Operation Sindoor, even as New Delhi has repeatedly put the facts on the table, dismissing any third-party involvement, and has maintained that the situation was resolved through direct engagement between the two sides when the DGMO of Pakistan called first to his India counterpart. Let's tell you exactly before you get that counter that is coming in from India's side. This is the latest statement coming in from Wang Yi, who is the Chinese foreign minister, on what he believes when it comes to resolving conflicts. China apparently played a hand. India, meanwhile, has outrightly rejected this claim. Government sources saying that there was no third-party role in the ceasefire, that China had absolutely zero involvement. The decision, India says, was taken bilaterally through direct communication at the DGMO level between India and Pakistan and without any foreign facilitation. New Delhi has also called Beijing's assertion as incorrect, as India's position is clear and has been consistent. Matters concerning India and Pakistan are handled directly and by mediation by external powers is something that India time and again has repeated is not acceptable. Let's take a look exactly when it comes to claims that has been made by China, the lies that are being peddled, and how India is fact-checking. Claiming that role in India-Pak ceasefire and projecting itself as a peacemaker, and claiming that hotspot issues that were resolved through mediation. And this is the sentiment and the statement that is being echoed on part on China. Let's talk about how India has been countering. There has been no third-party mediation. The ceasefire was decided bilaterally, and the DGMO level talks happened when Pakistani DGMO begged for a ceasefire from India. Now, as far as when it comes to these developments are concerned, we also talk about the political aspect, because speaking on this very statement of the Chinese foreign minister is the Saboot gang. The opposition is back at it. The opposition hitting out at the government, asking the Prime Minister, questioning his silence on the Beijing claim, and has been demanding that the center for once come clean on the facts and put it on the table, dismissing the allegations and the statements that have been made repeatedly by both President Trump and now by China.
Our Prime Minister is just so coward. I don't know. Has he been blackmailed in hand of China? He was that, despite the fact that 60 times Trump has said that it was he who got ceasefire done, and the Prime Minister PM Modi had not refuted once. And now the PM should come out. What is the reality?
देखिए, जब किसी देश का नेतृत्व कमजोर होता है तो इसी तरह से दूसरे देश उन पर हावी होने की कोशिश करते हैं। पहले ट्रम्प साहब ने कहा और एक बार नहीं कहा, 27-28 बार कहा। अब ये नया एक जानकारी मिल रही है कि चाइना का भी इसमें हस्तक्षेप था। तो ये बात तो उसी समय हम लोगों ने कहा था कि प्रधानमंत्री को सख्ती से उस बात का खंडन करना चाहिए। प्रधानमंत्री स्वयं कोई खंडन नहीं करते हैं, विदेश मंत्रालय के किसी स्पोक्स पर्सन से करवाते हैं, तो लोग समझते हैं कि इसमें कुछ न कुछ ऐसी बात है जिसको प्रधानमंत्री स्वयं नहीं कहना चाहिए।
These claims are coming not from XYZ and sundry countries, but from the most powerful nations, US and now China, and it perhaps reflects on the utter failure of our foreign policy and our diplomacy, that now here is a situation where a country that was supposed to be fighting the war with India, with Pakistan as the front, now claiming also to having mediated in the ceasefire. So it's a telling comment. I'm not saying that we have to believe what they are saying. Government has to clarify. Government still hasn't clarified on Mr. Donald Trump's comment.
देखिए, समाजवादी पार्टी समझती, इससे पहले भी जब अमेरिका द्वारा कई दावे किए गए तब भी पूरे देश में राजनीतिक दलों ने भी इस बात की मांग की थी कि सरकार स्थिति स्पष्ट करे, और अब एक नया दावा सामने आ गया चाइना का। तो जो देश की सरकार है उसकी जिम्मेदारी है, उनको बताना चाहिए। और जहां तक समाजवादी पार्टी समझती कि हमारा विषय देश की आंतरिक और बाहरी सुरक्षा को लेके है, और देश की जो सुरक्षा है वो मजबूत रहनी चाहिए, वो आंतरिक और बाहरी सुरक्षा और कैसे मजबूत हो उस पर सरकार को काम करना चाहिए।
Well, Nyamika is connected with us. Nyamika, isn't multiple times that the government has also made its stand clear whether be it as far as questioning all of the multiple, questions, answering rather when it comes to the multiple questions that have been raised by the opposition. India has made it clear time and again that there was no third-party intervention, that what they are now seeking on part of the opposition, in particularly picking up what Donald Trump and now China has to say.
Well, the only demand which is being raised by the opposition parties is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should clarify the stand of our country. As firstly, it was the US President Donald Trump, and now it is the China's foreign minister who has made the same claim that China had helped in the mediation between India and Pakistan when Operation Sindoor was going on. And for that reason, now the Congress party is categorically demanded that it is the responsibility of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to clarify that what is the real position of our country is. As we have seen that how various leaders, including Mr. Jairam Ramesh, Mr. Tariq Anwar, Udit Raj and other leaders of the Congress party, they have stated that why there is an absolute silence on the part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because if anyone from the foreign ministry, be it a spokesperson or any other officer, if he is making any kind of clarification regarding this entire matter, then it won't be that much relevance it will get, because if the US President Donald Trump is making certain claims, then it is the responsibility of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to make it very clear that there was no third party intervention and there was a bilateral decision which was being there was a decision which was being taken between India and Pakistan only, that this ceasefire then only this ceasefire was being announced. So now clearly the Congress party is questioning that this is a very serious concern, that the China is also making the similar claims of mediation between India and Pakistan, because we have
well,
seen
if the opposition is putting itself in a position that they would rather believe what Donald Trump and what China has to say rather than their own government, and putting out a statement where the government has been clear and consistent that there was no third party mediation, the opposition, however, is questioning the Prime Minister's silence on this issue. Thank you very much, Nyamika, for joining in.